This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Rob.twine. Diamond in the rough in the heart of the Little Neck area. This home is a blank canvas for your renovation. This home is sold as is with no repairs. Large 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on a corner lot, 2-car and load garage. Natural gas HVAC system manufactured in 2016. Gas water heater manufactured date of 2015. 2 garage door openers, well and irrigation system being sold as is. Washer and dryer are also being sold as is. This home was appraised and priced well below area comps. For more information, review the details below.